So it's Amy coming at you from Living Our Best Life. After much debate, talking, writing list, we took less time naming all three of our kids than we did this boat. But we gave the boat a name. And we went back and forth and anyways, logos, pictures, and the company that we worked with, I put that in the description so you can go check out their Facebook page, but they're great, a local company. We named the boat. Cleaning and waxing the boat. We got Chad working.
Earning my keep.
Yeah, you can see the definite line. Let's see after we cleaned and waxed yesterday. You see like some wax up underneath that got missed. Here come the guys getting the decals put on the boat. Pat's wasting time fishing while we were waiting on them. Here they come. There's no wind today, a little bit. You see just a tiny bit, so it's making for it to be a warm time. And the electricity is out. I don't know about here, but it's out in Sandy Bay where we were at. Huh? Who was I talking to? Herbie. I called Herbie to ask him about the ladies. Hello. We're all the way down here. Hello. Buenas. Yeah. He said, what guys? I told him. Can you not put your fishing thing on my camera? 3D. So how we came at this name, well, obviously real because we're fishing on the boat. That's Pat's life. And most importantly, fishing is in Pat's soul. I mean, he loves to be on the water. He loves to fish. He loves to do that more than probably anything in his life. So that's where the real soul came from. Really, it's fishing, reeling in fish, catching fish, being on the water, and especially this boat and the adventure that got us here on this boat. That's the meaning of the name. And it's a little bit of him, real. It's a little bit of me, soul. And it's a play on words too because our house in Sundancer is Soul Living, S-O-L, which means sun in Spanish. So we took it and made it more spiritual and did the S-O-U-L. But then we put the sun over the S-O-U-L, so it'd be like a play on words with the logo of what we already have going on with our hashtag Soul Living, SOLLIVING. This process, we absolutely love it. We love the R, we love everything about it. The company was so amazing. My grandma said, you know, when we were on that water and we were really praying for our lives just to make it here to Roatan, that God was reeling us in, that He was getting us here. So another meaning for the boat, the name. And I'm sure there's other things that are going to come up to where it's just going to be a confirmation of why the boat is just named so perfect. Remember, guys, go live your best life. More to come on the boat, the adventure that we've had, and just really how much it means to us. And we're so grateful that we made it here safely and that we're able to just enjoy everything that God blesses us with, and just to give Him all the glory and all the things that He does for us, getting us here safely, blessing us to be able to buy this boat, and just enjoying our lives each and every day, living our best life.